Hey, it's Jose with Compressive Tuning here, and today my kid Jasper will be installing our XTI mid-wing spoiler for the 14 to 18 SJ Forester. This is the roll of double-sided 3M tape your spoiler will come with. As you can see, the roll only has a bit left because Jasper has already gone ahead and laid down the tape onto the spoiler. The double-sided tape was applied along the edges of the spoiler. These edges here will be making contact with the car. Jasper will be using adhesive promoter before mounting the spoiler. The promoter will help create a stronger bond between the surface and the double-sided tape when mounting your spoiler. Make sure the area you'll be mounting your spoiler on is clean and free of dirt before applying the adhesive promoter. Using the pad, spread the love on your mounting area. As you can see, my kid has peeled back the protective film on the tape just enough to expose short sections of the tape. This is what we do so we can mount the part on the car so we can determine the correct position for the spoiler. Now you simply pull back the protective film to expose the entire strip of double-sided tape so your spoiler can mount permanently. And just like that, you have this kick-ass spoiler on your SJ Forester. This application technique can be used for any of our parts that use double-sided tape for mounting. That includes our mirror caps, spoilers, and our carbon fiber vents for the V8 chassis. All right, guys, see you next time.